Hi everyone, welcome to today's yoga session. So today we're going to be doing a session that you can do during your periods, which is safe. And also say you're recovering from a flu or an injury and you just want to get a few stretches in your day, and so that your physical and mental well-being is also checked, right? So today we're going to start with a standing position. So place your feet apart, hands apart, and close your eyes. Let's take a breath through our nostrils, nice and slow. And exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. One last big inhale. And exhale. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Awesome. So we're going to start mobilizing like really fast. So just copy me, just follow me, right? Just the joints from the neck all the way to your toes. You're going to look to your right, left, right, left, right, left, stop. Left ear, right ear, left ear, right ear, left ear, right ear. Good. Bring your chin all the way to your chest. So all the way down. Rotate to your right side. Massaging our shoulders and to our left. Especially if you are recovering something or, during periods, these tend to tense up, especially with the hormone changes, right? So mobilizing your hands, you're going to rotate your hands. That's it, opposite. Good, the other hand. So a lot of people think you just have to keep mobilizing your pelvis, your hips, but not really. You need to mobilize every part of your body, even during your periods, right? Then your elbows, and especially if you have arthritis or carpal tunnel, you're going to move your fingers up. So those tend to flare during your periods, right? So looking into these and mobilizing and giving it that love and care, especially during that time, can go a long way. Perfect. You're going to place your hands in on your waist. Now we're going to come to our pelvis and our abdomen. That's it. That's it. And you can hold on to the wall if you're feeling dizzy, and you're going to mobilize your knee. So knee is also really good if anyone has back pain. It's not only the back that you need to mobilize. These are all connected, right? So your left leg. Good. And your ankle. So this ankle is a big trick. Point to note is it is connected to the largest blood vessels. So mobilizing that means you're pumping a good flow of blood into your body, right? And that's really good, especially with periods. So we're going to do some simple jogging, right? So if this is hard, then you can even go lower, right? Or just move your legs up ladder. So see what works for you, right? That's it. If you are I wouldn't suggest star jumping, but I think this would be the best way to go. Good. That's it. Hands apart, feet apart. I'm sure you're feeling a few starting to sweat. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Great job. So I'm just keeping the notebook so I stick to the time. All right, bring your feet together. Right, we're gonna inhale, balance your toes, pull your body up, 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 up. If you fall, that's okay, but just try to pull yourself up and exhale. You feel the shift in energy, right? It's a really powerful one. Inhale, pull yourself up, the sides, your back. And exhale. Good job. We're going to do it to our sides even more. So place your feet in a V shape. Inhale, sweep your hands up, up, up. Place them, interlace them over your head. In Anjali Mudra, all the way up. Pull yourself up. Inhale. Exhale, slow bend to your right. So slow, right? Gentle. Feel that nice stretch on your left. Yeah? Good. Inhale again, up, up, up. Pull yourself up. Exhale, slowly down. Feel a stretch on your left. It's So these are all gentle, yeah? You're not going to pull them too much. Good, inhale. Exhale, hands down. You're going to push your pelvis in front. Bend your back a little. Push your pelvis in front. Bend. Good, all right. Because, we have that, a lot of people get back pain during the period, so that's a good thing to get going. Now I believe you're going to come into a seated position. Oh no, we've got one more stretch. So you're going to place your feet together, then right foot out. Inhale, sweep your hands up, interlace them, and turn your palms outward, and then pull yourself up. Good. Inhale, exhale, bend to your right. Gentle stretch again, okay? Good. Inhale, up, 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 and exhale to your left. That's it. Good. Inhale up, exhale, hands down, bend your right knee, go to the left. Hands apart, feet apart, deep breathe. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Perfect. Join me in a seated position. We're going to do the seated cat-cow. And then wrap it up. So you're going to come into a cross-leg position. We're going to first mobilize our pelvis and massage our glutes, our back a little. Place your hands on your kneecaps, and you're going to rotate your pelvis like that. That's it. Feel that? Now opposite. You feel your butt is being massaged, so your glutes, right? That's it. And massaging your organs in your abdomen as well. Great. Place your hands similarly, same way, right? Inhale, chest inward, neck up. Exhale, arch your back. So we're going to do the cat-cow. Seated. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, nice and slow. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, last one. And exhale. Great job, guys. Really good. So you are going to lie down on the mat for us to cool down. So please don't skip this part. And we will do some deep breathing and remain in silence for a bit and then finish the session, right? So Shavasana is hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Close your eyes. Great. So make sure your palms are facing upwards, hands apart properly, feet apart to the width of your mat, and close your eyes. Great. Let's take a big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. One last big inhale. And exhale. Great. And let's enjoy this next few breaths. And I remain silent until I guide you back to come into a seated position. Gently bring your feet together, your hands together, and turn to your right side. Then slowly join me in a seated position. Make sure your movements are graceful. And as you come into a seated position, place your hands in Chin Mudra on your kneecaps and sit tall. Great. Let's commit to ourselves to extend this calmness to the next rest of the day and the rest of the week. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Really good job. I hope you feel calm and also energized, that, hopefully this helps you relieve any period issues, any period discomforts, any symptoms that arrive during this time. And if you are trying to stretch after an illness or a flu or whatever that may be, I hope this kind of was that stepping stone for you to get to the mat a little, try a little more, right? So it's small. You have to always honor your body and start small. So I'm happy that you did do this small session and slowly increase your time as you go. So thank you so much again for joining, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.